Hello everyone! So welcome for today's video tutorial about the power clean exercise. So I'm Jennifer Parake and I will be guiding you through this powerful movement. So first thing we need to know is what is power clean exercise. Power clean is a compound variation that targets our multiple groups of muscles including the hamstring, quadriceps, shoulders, the deltoid, and the lumbar. So, to perform safely and effectively this power clean exercise, let's focus on these key components. The first one is the handstands. Kailangan ganito yung tindig natin. Second one is grip. Yan. Kailangan hawakan natin mabuti yung barbell para hindi siya mabitawan. So, the third one is the back position. Kailangan kapag iaangat na natin yung barbell, kailangan dahan-dahan lang siya para maiwasan natin yung injury. So, the fourth one is explosion. Ayan. So, I will repeat the key components of the power clean exercise. The first one is handstands, grip, the back position, and explosion. So, power clean exercise also have benefits on us. So, the first benefits of this exercise is it can improve our overall cardiovascular health, including our strength, speed, and then our bone density, and it enhances our muscles. So, now, guys, I will show you how to do it. I will execute it with 15 reps. This one. So, for you to better understand how to do it. Thank you for watching, and remember this, always prioritize proper form and techniques, and don't be afraid to try different variations. Thank you for watching.